Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. You got a beautiful VN, VN8, VN15, Mini, whatever it is. You want some awesome bars to build that bike up, make it look very cool. Okay, these are our 1.5" T-bars, pullback T-bars. 8-inch rise, also available in 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, you got around about 8-inch of pullback, because as you can see, these are actually raked. So that means your top yoke's like that, which means angle-wise, it ain't just 8, it's around about 8 pullback as well. So you got 8-inch up, 8-inch back. Very cool for your shorter riders. And as you can see here, drilled internally. So your wiring's going to go straight from here, or if you've got a Harley here, straight through here and out these holes here, so you don't see all the wiring under the bars. But very well made, American made. If you're interested, give us a bell, 01773835666. CustomCruisers.com or the new site, customcruisers.eu. Thank you.